Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021. Also, Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. And on this reading here, Aries, we are going to be looking at on both your energy and your person energy. So let's start with the reading. On this side here is your energy here, Aries, and on this side here is your person energy. So let's start with the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here. I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini, as well as water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So with your energy here, Aries, I've got the Three of Cups, I've got the Temperance, and then I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up here. I've also got the Five of Pentacles as the overall energy. So let me start with this Three of Cups energy and the Ten of Pentacles energy coming up here. I'm getting a very strong karmic situation is what I'm getting coming up here. Or there is also a very strong possibility of a third party situation that is currently going on in your life here, Aries. So the two main energy that I'm getting coming up here is that either a family issue or family trauma that's still affecting you up until this particular point of time, because I've also got the Five of Pentacles energy coming up. You're feeling stuck and feeling trapped within your own trauma and within the pain and the trauma of the past. Here's what I'm getting. So with this Five of Pentacles energy coming up for you here, Aries, I feel like there is something that you've been hiding within yourself here for quite a while, and for you to let go of that pain, or for you to let go of that trauma, there is also a very strong fear energy coming in here as well. I feel like some of you here, Aries, have been stuck within this pain and within this trauma for quite a long time, that you even thought within yourself, or you have been thinking within yourself here, like this is just part of you, this is just something that is normal, that you have to go through that, the pain, the anxiety, the fear, the frustration, whatever that you're feeling here, this is like you are feeling within yourself here, that this is something normal. And because of that long period of time, I would say here, that you've been experiencing, but any of unhealthy energy surrounding yourself here, Aries, is not definitely normal at all. So I feel like with this Ten of Cups, with this Ten of Pentacles energy that I've got coming up for you here, a very strong childhood trauma, inner child trauma, or just in general here, a very strong family issue and family upbringing. And this is something that has been affecting your social life in general, including your relationship here as well, is what I'm getting here, Aries. And then for some of you here, Aries, with this Three of Cups energy coming up here, could be referring to a third party situation, or just in general here, there are toxic energy, or there are toxic people around your life at this point of time. Again, coming back to the feeling trapped and feeling stuck energy, you might be associating yourself with people who are not, or who are never really encourage you to be better, I would say here, Aries. So you might be in a certain environment here where your friends, your colleagues, or even like including your family members here, that are all have this very toxic trait and negative trait within themselves, I would say here, Aries. So this is also another thing that has been affecting you here, I would say. Now, I've also got the Temperance energy coming up here. The Temperance energy is also talking about a very strong patient energy coming up here. I feel like you do understand that there is something wrong within yourself, or there is like this pain and this trauma that you've been keeping within yourself here. But for you to completely heal from those energy here, or at least you have done so much of work within yourself, or at least you have tried to maintain the balance within yourself here, Aries, but for some reason here you are always like feeling stuck, or you are always feeling that stagnant energy. Like every time you try to move forward one step here, you could always like feel like there are multiple things that is keep on pulling you in the back. So with this Star energy coming up here, this is talking about a very strong healing energy here, for you to be able to move forward into the next stage of your relationship and the next stage of your life here, Aries. First of all, you need to go through the necessary healing. You need to go through that acceptance energy coming up here. Be honest and be open with yourself, as well as forgiving people who might have done wrong towards you here, Aries. Now let's look at into your person energy here. It's quite interesting because I've also got the Three of Cups energy coming out from them. I've got the Earth Mother here, or the Empress, and then I've also got the star energy coming up here with the overall energy, the Page of Cups energy. So again, I'm getting also a very strong karmic energy or karmic situation surrounding your person energy here as well. The first thing that I've got coming up here is that a very strong mother issue coming up here. So this could be referring to their mother or someone that they regard as a mother figure. And with this Page of Cups energy coming up here, some of you here could be dealing with either someone younger than you or someone older than you. I'm getting a very strong and age gap energy coming up here. And then there is also another possibility that I've got coming up from your person here, Aries, is that they are healing their own inner child trauma, or they're healing their own childhood trauma at this time. So coming back here to the mother issue that I've got coming up here from your person. So both of you, I would say, here is coming out from a similar ground or from a similar background, I would say here, where you have your own family issue or family upbringing. Your person also have a very strong mother issue at this point of time here is what I'm getting, or at least they might have like some sort of like a childhood trauma or inner child trauma is what I'm getting here. For a specific group of you here, Aries, this third party situation could be referring to the person that they're currently dating with, and another reason why they could not move from this third party energy here due to something involving a children or something involving a child, I would say here. So they might not be able to leave the karmic situation or leave the third party situation because of their own children is what I'm getting here. So this is also another thing that I've got coming up for you. And then once again here I've got the star energy coming up here. So like I said before, both of you here are coming out from a similar ground where both of you here need to go to the necessary healing. The major energy or the major theme that I'm getting coming up for both of you here, Aries, in the month of September 2021 here is that healing energy. So there's going to be some triggers that will be happening between you and your person here, like on an individual level, where this is going to be leading up to the healing and to the necessary healing that both of you need to embrace here. I've also got the justice energy coming up here. The justice energy is specifically talking about a karmic justice, and I feel like your person at this point of time here could be dealing with a certain legal issue or legality here, like something involving or something related to the law. Could also be something like separation, legal separation, divorce, child support, and child custody issue. I've also got the Lovers energy coming up here. So this is also talking about the union energy between both of you. Now let's look at into the advice that I've got coming up for you here, Aries. I'm getting flow. Find an easier path forward, surrender to the outcome, release your expectation. And then I've also got courage coming up here as well. You are safe, fear is an illusion, set strong boundaries. So one thing that I've got coming up here is that the lack of courage energy coming in here between both of you. So both of you here wants to move forward and wants to come into the union energy here and having a proper relationship, but both of you are being pulled in a different direction because of this trauma within yourself, more specifically here the inner child trauma. And then I've also got the flow energy. So the only way for both of you here to be moving forward is that to release any resistant energy, to let go of to let go of the control and just going with the flow here is what I'm getting here, Aries. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.